Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 8. The title of the unit is Reporting. And the lesson is Recent Incidents. You need to go to the course book, page 58, and we are going to do exercises 1, 2, 3, and 4. The objectives of our lesson today are two objectives. One is listening for details to complete a form, استمارة, and the second is reporting a problem on the phone, التبليغ عن مشكلة. Before we start, we need to learn some keywords or important words. This is a car registration number. Car registration number. And this shows a location of a place. Location, very good. Next, this is a junction. تقاطع طرق, junction. And this is an exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe. It's in each car. And the final word is a verb. It means to fall off. Fall off. يسقط. Now, let's go to page 58 and look at the picture for exercise 1. What can you see in this picture? We can see a woman. She seems to be on the road between two cities, traveling from one place to another, and she has a problem in her car. And what is she doing? She's talking on the phone to get help. And for exercise 2, we're going to listen to this phone call to complete the details in the form, الاستمارة. Okay? She's calling a company, and the company is called Crash Recovery Company. And we need to listen to enter the details of the number 1, customer name, number 2, car registration number, and the location of the road, and also for number 4, the numbers of the junctions between two junctions and going which direction, north, south, east, or west. And finally, we need to write the problem. The problem is with the exhaust pipe, but what really happened to the exhaust pipe. Now let's listen and then complete.
Unit 8. Reporting. Recording 43. Hello, Crash Recovery Company. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I've broken down on the motorway.
Okay, don't worry. What's your name and car registration number?
My name's Anita Zubaid. That's Anita spelt A-N-I-T-A and Zubaid spelt Z-U-B-A-I-D. The car is Y449MNE.
And where are you, Ms. Zubaid?
I'm on the M13 between junctions 15 and 16, going south.
Right. And what's the problem?
Well, the exhaust pipe has fallen off.
Okay. We'll be there in 30 minutes. Stay with your car, please.
All right. Bye.
Okay, so now after we have listened to the audio, let's check the answers together. What is the customer's name? The customer name? Anita Zubaid. Yes, and the car registration number? As you see, it's Y449MNE. And the location, the road, the name of the road is A13. And the numbers of the junctions, 15 and 16. And going which direction? South. What happened to the exhaust pipe? It has fallen off. سقطت. Now, let's move to exercise 3. As you see in exercise 3, we have 4 pictures. A, we see a car that had an accident. B, this place looks like an office. C, it's a home and there is a girl. She hurt her leg. And finally, we see a laptop or a computer with a problem, a virus problem. What we need to do is to listen to 4 calls and write the number of each call next to the pictures. Are you ready? Let's listen.
Unit 8, recording 44. Call number 1.
Hello? Hello? Is that security?
Yes, security here. How can we help?
Some thieves have broken into my office. They've taken my computer.
Call number 2.
IT department, how can I help you?
Is that the IT hotline?
Yes. What's the problem?
Something has happened to my computer. I've lost all my data.
Call number 3.
Emergency? Which service?
I need an ambulance, quickly.
What's happened?
It's my daughter. She's fallen down some stairs. She's cut her leg.
Call number 4. Crash recovery, how can I help you?
Oh, hello. Yes. I've had an accident. I've driven my car into a bridge.
Okay, now after listening, let's see. A is phone call number. Sorry, A is phone call number 4. B 1. C 3. And finally, D is 2, of course. Very good. Now let's move to the last exercise for today's lesson. Exercise 4. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the box. Put 2 words in each gap. Here we're going to use broken. It comes from the word break. تصريف الثالث, the past participle of break. Cut. Driven is the past participle of drive. Fallen, past participle of fall. Had, the past participle of have. Happened, حدث. Have or has, we're going to use have or has on all the sentences. Lost, from lose. فقد, taken, from take. Now let's look at number 1. These are the same phone calls we listened to in exercise 3. Number 1. Is that security? Thieves have broken into my office. Have broken, اقتحموا, into my office. Okay, we used have because thieves is a plural word. جمع. So they have also taken my computer. They have taken my computer. And instead of writing have, we can write apostrophe VE. So this means have also. Okay, now let's move to number 2. Is that the IT hotline? Something to my computer. Something, remember we need 2 words. One of them is have or has. Something is singular, مفرد, so we use has. Then something has happened. Yes, something has happened to my computer. All my data. I have or has. I takes have. I have all my data. I have lost all my data. Again, we can write apostrophe VE instead of have. Number 3. I need an ambulance quickly. My daughter downstairs. My daughter is singular, مفرد, so we use has. So my daughter has downstairs. Has, what should we use here? Yes, fallen. My daughter has fallen downstairs. She also has her leg. She has cut her leg. Instead of has, we can write apostrophe is. So we can write has, like here, or apostrophe is. Finally, number 4. Is that crash recovery? An accident. I have had an accident. I've had an accident. My car into a bridge. I have driven. I've driven my car into a bridge. So, this is the end of the lesson, and we have achieved our 2 objectives for today. First, we listened for details and completed a form, and then we learned how to report a problem. In this exercise, you can see 4 problems reporting a problem on a phone. Thank you and good luck.